I'm home alone with Jasper, but he misses Jeff or El Jeffe. Jasper, who are you asking? Who are you looking for? Who are you barking at? Jasper. Okay, chill out. Jasper, look. Sit. Good boy. What do you want? Jeff is at work. He's working. He'll be back. Look. Jasper. Alright. It's so hard to have a barking dog. I like quiet dogs. Quiet. Jasper, paw. Good morning. Okay, be a good boy, okay? Are you gonna be a good boy? No barking. No Latin. Latin is latir in Portuguese, means bark, and it sounds like Latin. Are you speaking Latin? Latim? Você fala Latin? Do you speak Latin? Woof woof. That's Latin. Woo! Let's bark. Oh, no, let's howl. Hello. Jasper, are you calmer now? Are you gonna calm down? Jasper! Ooh! Jasper, look! You want a treat? Yeah. You want to eat? Oh, yeah. Are you gonna be a good boy? Here's your treat. Up. Stay calm. Stay. 1. More? You want more? Here. Here you go. 1, 2, 3. Sit. Here. Good boy.